Imagine being able to generate stunning AI images, cinematic AI videos, professional background music, and even text content, all from one platform. No more jumping between 5 or 6 different AI tools just to finish one project. Everything happens inside a single workflow. And what makes this even better is that you get access to some of the best premium AI models available today. Models like Seedance 2.5, which is currently at a huge launch discount, making it one of the most affordable premium AI video models you can use right now. You also get access to powerful image models like Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, GPT image models, and several other premium image and video models, all in one place. So whether you're running a faceless YouTube channel, creating content for clients, designing social media posts, building Shopify ads, or growing your own business, this could easily become your new all-in-one AI workspace. Today, I'll show you exactly how it works and whether it's actually worth using. If you'd like to try AI Inspo yourself, simply visit the link in my description. I also managed to secure a special discount for everyone watching this video, so make sure you use my link if you decide to upgrade to a premium plan. Now let's jump in. Once you log in, this is the dashboard you'll see. One thing I immediately noticed is that everything is organized into different creative tools. Instead of opening separate websites for image generation, video generation, music creation, and other AI tasks, everything is available inside one workspace. And that's probably my favorite thing about AI Inspo. You're not locked into a single AI model either. You can switch between multiple premium models depending on the type of content you want to create. Let's start with image generation. I'm going to test one of the premium image models, Nano Banana Pro. I'll paste in a prompt and see what kind of quality we get. Honestly, the quality is impressive. The details, lighting, and overall realism are exactly what you'd expect from a premium image model. If you're creating thumbnails, social media posts, product mock-ups, or concept art, this alone could save you a lot of time. Now let's make things even more interesting. Instead of stopping at an image, let's animate it. For this test, I'm choosing Seedance 2.0. I'll upload the image we just created, write a simple cinematic prompt, choose the duration, then click Generate. And here's the result.
One thing I've learned is that the best AI tools aren't necessarily the ones with the most features. They're the ones that let you finish your work faster. That's exactly why all-in-one AI platforms are becoming so popular among content creators.
What's impressive is how well the model keeps the subject consistent while adding smooth camera movement and realistic motion. For faceless YouTube creators, marketers, and advertisers, this can save hours of editing. But AI Inspo isn't just about images and videos. You can also generate AI music, create videos directly from text, switch between different premium AI models, experiment with multiple creative workflows, and do everything without leaving the platform. Instead of paying for 4 or 5 separate AI subscriptions, everything is centralized inside one dashboard. That makes the whole creative process much faster and much simpler. After testing AI Inspo, I think its biggest advantage isn't just the AI models, it's the workflow. Being able to go from an idea, to an image, to an animated video, to background music, all inside one platform, makes content creation much more efficient. Whether you're a YouTuber, freelancer, Shopify seller, digital marketer, or small business owner, this is definitely a tool worth checking out. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've left my link down below in the description. Don't forget to use it because you'll also get the exclusive discount I mentioned earlier if you decide to upgrade. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and let me know in the comments which AI model inside AI Inspo you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.